These are the Shah brothers, Bhargav and Parin. They're both fond of cooking and Italian food, especially pasta. Let's make a pasta dish with them. Grab some pasta of your choice and a pot. Then put some water into that pot and put that pot onto the boil for at least 15 minutes. Smack open your pasta and put it onto the boil, along with some salt and olive oil in the water, and mix in the pasta. Let's grab the ingredient for our secret sauce. First, cherry tomatoes, followed by bell peppers and some herbs. Then, onions and garlic. Time to get fancy with our knives and start chopping our vegetables. First, crush your garlic and chop it into fine slices, followed by half an onion that you're gonna dice into small pieces. Then, chop quarter of a bell pepper into small dices as well, followed by 200 grams of cherry tomatoes cut into half. Chop your herbs and grab a pan to prepare the tomato sauce. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan along with your garlic, onions, and bell pepper and let it saute until translucent. Add your beautiful cherry tomatoes into the pan and stir it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Time to spice this dish up. First, let's start by adding 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, followed by 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, along with 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and then of course 2 tablespoons of dried basil. Mix the spices well into the sauce and then add in your fresh herbs, followed by a ladle or 2 of fresh pasta water. Then add in your pasta into the sauce and stir it well until combined and fully emulsified. After 5 minutes of mixing, add in some Parmesan and stir it one last time until all the cheese is completely melted. Time to plate the pasta. With your tongs, swivel the pasta inside the pot and then put it onto the bowl and then lightly let go. Finish the dish with a good grating of Parmesan and top it off with a good leaf of basil. Buon appetito! The pasta's ready!